So Michael's has their grab bags down to $5 now. I did do a YouTube short where I showed them being $5. So I did run out and I got 3 of them. So I'm going to share with you guys what I got. I was trying to pick boxes that were heavy because I felt like the light ones had a bunch of floral in them. And here I ended up with some floral anyways, thinking I had picked a good one. So let's just dive in because that's what's on top. So I have these like little greenery sprig little stuff. So there's those 2. There's this one. Wow, these were full price $15. So here's another one like that last one. This one has pine cones and like little cinnamon sticks. So this one's a little bit different. And then another one of these like hollyberry garland ones. Looks more like a garland. This one, I might keep just one of these because wouldn't that be cute, like to put on paper crafting? Yeah, I might keep one of these and then the rest I am going to go ahead and get rid of. So on the handle of the box, I saw Creatology, so that's why I grabbed this box and the fact that it was heavy. But I ended up with some of these kits. So this is a Nutcracker countdown. That's actually really, really cute. I will probably open this and keep this one. Yeah, that one's cute. Then there is, what is this? Oh, I don't remember seeing this. A little like felt ornament kit. That is super cute. Oh, I'm totally keeping that one. There's 2 more in here that I can see. I hope that's what the other ones are. I also got this tin box that's really cute and it does not look damaged. That was originally $7. That's cute. Oh, I love like I have Christmas Village. So I love this, but this is huge. This is super, super huge. Oh, it actually still has the little tab in here. So I'm going to leave that in there. Oh, that was $15. Oh my gosh, Santa's feetsies are down here. There's one more in here. I'm going to see if that one is missing the tab so we can turn it on. Oh, there's more metal things down here. Hold on. Okay, so this one is missing the tab on it. So that's what it looks like. That is so stinking cute. I love this. I know it's huge, but I love it. I definitely want to go ahead and paint this and keep it. That is so pretty. Oh, I love it. That's so fun. Yeah, definitely going to paint this. It is like chalky and getting white on my hands, so I have to clean it up. Oh, so did I say I ended up with 2 of these? I think I did. So I have 2 of those. Oh my gosh, I'm super happy for these. These little kits I love. Like if I would have got a whole box of these little kits, I would have been so happy. These are so much fun. You can definitely use it with any kind of season. So yeah, they're blue, but there's like a baby blue in here. You could definitely use that for like springtime. So that's really cute. Definitely keeper. This box is way better than the ones that I paid $10 for. Oh, love this. Again, can use this for springtime crafting. That is definitely a keeper right there. And then there's 2 more. So 3 total of the exact same one. Those are definite keepers. Super happy. Oh, I forgot to turn this off. Whoopsie. There we go. Don't want to waste that. Then I have 2 of these tins. That say cookies for Santa made with love. Those were, wow, $15 full price. Oh my gosh. Who are they trying to sell these to? This is definitely a keep. I can put like a Happy Mail or swap in there for next Halloween. I have Halloween on my mind. Christmas time. I have Halloween on my mind because I was thinking I wanted to do like monsters in May and then Christmas in July because I never have enough time to craft for Halloween and Christmas. They're my 2 favorite holidays, Halloween being my absolute favorite, then second place is Christmas, and I never have enough time to craft for them. So I want to do more crafting this year. So yeah, love that I got those. Oh, these are cute. I smelled something in here and I couldn't figure out what it smelled like. I did not know that these were at the bottom. So look, these look like sweaters. How stinking cute is that? So, oh, this is just evergreen. And wow, $10. So I think this is the only size of this one. And then I have this size. So there is a small and a large size. How much is this one? Full price $13, full price $10. So I have total of 3 of these larger candles. Oh, I like those. That's fun. And let's see what else is in here. Okay, I have 2 of these. Oh, I got this in one of the other boxes. So it's a countdown to Santa. So I got 2 of those. This box is awesome. If I would have got this for $10, I would have been happy. This one was a good one, so I'm even more happy that I got it for $5. And I think I have 2 more items. And they're the same thing. They are, oops. They are these Christmas tree kits, which I think I got the last time too, but I wasn't like a big fan of these. And then somebody in the comments said, you know, to like change it up. So instead of having just like a Christmas tree, do a Halloween tree, which I thought was a really cute idea, especially with it being like Easter right now. I can put this together and make it an Easter tree with some like little eggs would be really cute. But yeah, see, I got 2 of those. So the other kits new to me. These are the same, and yeah, I think I like that idea of, you know, changing it up and making it into a different holiday. So this is box number 1 for the $5. I do have 2 more, like I said. So if there's not a lot of good stuff in the shorter videos, I'll try to combine those into one. And if not, then they'll just be individual videos. So I'm going to wrap it up right here. This is what we got. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you guys ran out and got some $5 boxes and were yours better. And how did you like them? Because I feel like this $5 box, well worth it, well better, is that a thing? Definitely better than the $10 box that I got. All right, bye guys.